Welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will tell you about Java identifiers. So all Java variables must be identified with unique names. These names are called identifiers, and identifiers can be short names like here you can see as I have given in our previous videos x and y, or it can be descriptive names like here you can see full name. And note that it is always recommended to use descriptive names in order to create understandable and maintainable code, because suppose you have created a code and someone else is developing or you are developing afterwards, then you can understand that why you have used any particular variables. It is very helpful to use descriptive variable names. And it is true that you can give comments, but with comments you can only tell that what a particular block of code does. In every line if you put comment, that is a bad practice. So try to use descriptive names like full name. For example, suppose instead of this full name, if I give here string f equals to f name plus l name, then how will you understand that why I have given this f form? So it is better to use descriptive identifiers. There are few general rules for variables. That is, a variable name can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. Means in a variable name, you can give letters, either it is small or capital letter, or any digit, or underscore and dollar. Means these things are allowed in variables. And always remember that a variable name must always begin with a letter. Means it is mandatory to begin a variable name with a letter. It should start with a lowercase and it cannot contain any white space. Means suppose here if you write space name, then these two are different thing, not same thing. Means not same variable. That time it will be treated as different variable, or it will give error because here there is a white space. If there is a comma, then okay, otherwise it will be treated as error. So don't use white space, and try to use smaller letter or lowercase character for starting the variable name. And names can also begin with dollar and underscore, but we will discuss that in any of our future videos where I will show you the use of it. And remember, Java is case sensitive programming language, so my name and my name, these both will be treated differently. Means these both are not the same variable. This is one variable and this is another variable. And reserved keywords in Java like int, boolean, that cannot be used as name. Suppose if you want to write that boolean value, so you want to take the boolean values variable as boolean. It is not acceptable in Java, so don't use that. And this is pretty much all. If you have any doubts, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer the questions. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.